How to get different shields in Monopoly Go. So here's the thing. With new shield skins to the game in Monopoly Go, you can now protect your assets in style. In this video, I'm going to tell you how. Okay, so you can get different new skins or shield skins using the following techniques. Number one, completing daily tasks. The challenges that you can accomplish each day will grant you to access to some instant rewards. As you might anticipate, this occasionally offer free wins, so be sure to log in daily and finish them. Make sure to maintain completing these daily tasks each day because they all count toward the weekly rewards as well. Number two, taking part in 3 to 4 day game competitions. It is challenging to create an exact schedule for when each event will take place because new events are essentially added every day. Other occasions that continue for a couple of days come and go, and occasionally they are never seen again. A lot of free dice can frequently be obtained at these gatherings. Step 3, we have here being among the top 5 in competition. Okay, so limited time activities called tournaments pit players against one another to amass a certain currency and win rewards. There are typically up to 25 reward levels to complete, and the more tournament currency you earn, the more goodies you can unlock, and the higher up the leaderboard you can move. Step 4 or number 4, moving forward on fresh game boards. In Monopoly Go, players can conveniently purchase more dice and money and shields from the store to speed up the game's progression. Number 5 and last we have here exploring different options when the game creators add new content. And that's how you obtain various new shield skins. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.